Mandy from Mindset for Success with step number 6 in setting yourself up for a successful and awesome 2019. Now, I hope you did yesterday's step, which was creating your future vision, because today leads on from that and actually works really well with it. So your mission today is to create about 5 big goals that make up your future vision. Now, if you have found in the past that you haven't either set goals or you've never really achieved them, then keep it small. Maybe just have 3 major goals. Less is often more. And if you are someone that has created goals and regularly achieves them, then have at least 5 and perhaps stretch your goals a little bit. So when you're considering the areas of your life, if you're a business owner, it's okay to have 2 or even 3 that are related to your business, as long as you have at least one goal that is for you, that is around your self-care, time out or health, and another goal that is related to your family or friends, social connection, learning or travel, so that you have some type of balance in your goals that encompasses all areas of life, because we can't always be working, so we must have other focuses. Now, when I was coaching some clients through this recently, one client had a goal of being present more with his family. So that isn't really specific. So when I asked him a few questions, what that actually meant was he wanted to have a date night with his wife at least once a week. He wanted to take her away at least once a quarter, just with him and his wife. And then he wanted to make sure he had short breaks, maybe 4 throughout the year, with his whole family, so that they could have some fun and really connect. So that helped him actually focus on what the goal was, and those pieces became components of the goal. So he wrote it out in its format. His goal, he had exactly how many breaks away that he wanted became the goal, how many holidays. I had another client who wanted to increase their business, so I suggested that they found a specific figure that they want to earn, whether it's profit or your bottom line or your gross turnover, or a percentage increase. Again, that's quite helpful in health. It could be you want to increase your fitness by 30%. And if you just want to lose weight, make sure that you get really specific. And again, I had a client that I was coaching, and she wanted to lose about 8 or 10 kilos. But one thing that she really, really wanted to do that would help her was to get much better at cooking. In fact, be able to create some new healthy recipes, because she realized that if she could increase that and enjoy cooking and get more organized, it would be much easier to eat healthily rather than get takeaways. And that was a key component of creating the goal of shedding 8 to 10 kilos. So question yourself on your goals as to, are they specific? What other things would make up that goal? What would you have to do or be? And craft your goals for yourself. And then make sure that you feel a little bit excited about your goals and that they are incorporated in your future vision. So you've got 2 checks. You have your overall future vision, and within that you have some big goals. Now, you may have other statements in your future vision, that you're so grateful generally that you're healthy and happy, and your communication with your family has increased. You dedicated yourself to reading 20 books this year. So have all those too, but the key is today to identify your 3 to 5 big goals that make up your future vision. So that's it for today, and I will be back with step number 7 tomorrow. Thank you. It's Mandy from Mindset for Success. And if you haven't grabbed yourself a copy of yesterday's future vision, the template, please hop over to my Facebook group, Winning Mindsets. I'd love to welcome you, and there is a file in there under files that you can access and download. Thank you. Have a great day.